Welcome viewers, Dr. JW on December 4th, 2025. It begins with a damaged parked car and an explanation that almost sounds routine. A woman tells police she simply came in too fast, lost control and clipped the vehicle. She accepts responsibility, admits having 2 shots of tequila earlier, but within minutes this ordinary crash investigation is about to become something completely different.
Flipped her backside.
Okay.
Unfortunately.
Nobody else was in the car? About how fast did you going?
Probably like 45.
Okay, and you drove kind of in that little divot there and then through the grass there, or on the sidewalk here?
You see where that divot like starts?
Yep.
It goes in, and then I drove past this pole, like right here.
Past the pole on which side?
The right side.
Okay, so through here and then struck that and it slid your... Is it...
I come here all the time. I just didn't realize how fast I was going.
Gotcha, okay. You just came in too hot.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotcha.
I literally feel so bad.
Because I gotta do my job, and just because of the circumstances here,
understand.
I gotta read you something. It's just so that you understand what's going on and can make an informed decision. But it's essentially your rights. It doesn't mean that you're going to jail or anything like that. It just means that I want to talk to you a little more specifically, okay?
Yeah, no,
So
you're
you
good.
have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk with me now? No? Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm just cold.
You're cold? Do you want a jacket?
Yeah. Can I have your sweater?
Will you do me a favor? Will you hang out back in the house or a little further away? Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So I understand you don't want to talk to me. Is that because you're cold, or you just don't want to talk in general?
I mean, we can talk if you want to.
Okay. So tell me, I just want to kind of get a clearer picture here. Rummy, do you mind walking it with me?
Okay, come on.
Yeah. And then just tell me kind of step by step what happened.
Like I said, I come here all the time. This is my ex-boyfriend. We just broke up recently, but...
Your ex-boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay.
I still see him all the time. I still come here all the time.
Gotcha.
We're on very good terms. It's not like that, you know what I mean?
Okay, so basically the ex-partner's just being used for narcissistic supply. She's had a few drinks, gotten horny and decided it's time to come and get a shag off the boyfriend. You'll see that she tells the officer she's going to take him home, and then she decides, that's not going to line up with me being drunk. She tells him she'll stay there. It just escalates from there, the lies.
I pulled all the way forward and then I backed up. I genuinely just came in too hot and didn't know how to control it, and I accidentally clipped her car.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying?
That makes sense. How much have you had to drink today?
A little bit, but not very much.
What do you mean by that?
Maybe like 2 shots.
2 shots of what?
Tequila?
Okay. When was that?
About 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock today?
Yes.
PM?
Yes. Wow. Yes.
Today? Okay. All right. The 2 shots of tequila, did you have anything else?
No.
Were they just straight shots, or were you drinking into this
No, it was straight shots. I was chasing it, but I stayed for a while before I left.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I gotcha. So you're not impaired or anything?
No, like, I'm fine, and I plan on staying here anyways.
Okay. I thought you were taking it back to your house.
Well, if I was so, he was gonna drive.
Okay. I gotcha.
I genuinely just came in too hot. You know what I'm saying?
I gotcha. What happened after the crash?
I just got out of the car and started low-key freaking out, and I was like, I don't know what to do, what should we do? And he was like, the cops are on the way, and I was like, okay.
Do you mind if I check your eyes real quick?
You can, yes.
Okay. We'll go to this flat portion of the sidewalk here. Keep following it that whole time.
After officers conduct field sobriety evaluation, she's placed under arrest for driving under the influence. She refuses a request breath sample, and the calm conversation immediately begins to unravel. She pleads not to return to jail. In other words, she's been in trouble before, and repeatedly demands to see her boyfriend and tells officers she cannot afford what is happening. As police attempt to place her inside the cruiser, the confrontation escalates. Officers warn her that continued resistance could bring another charge, and eventually they warn that she will be placed in a hovel restraint if she refuses to cooperate. What follows is a prolonged struggle filled with screaming, insults, political accusations and repeated claims that she cannot breathe. Officers continue attempting to restrain and transport her while telling her that her own resistance is making the situation worse. The woman who initially said she took complete accountability for the crash is now fighting the consequences unfolding around her, of which she is causing. And just remember, the poor old boyfriend, he's just a form of narcissistic supply. He really has no value at all.
Do you have any pockets?
No, I don't have pockets. Can I just see my boyfriend?
Not right this second, no. Alright. Nothing tucked or put anywhere, right? Yeah, literally. Why would I joke around about something like that?
I don't know. Like,
Okay.
what are we doing?
Have a seat for me.
Oh, guys. I need to see my boyfriend.
Okay.
Yes, right now.
Swing in there so I can put the seatbelt on you.
You'll notice that
Please, I don't need to go back to jail.
the mentality begins to decline toward infantility.
Alright, watch your leg.
Let me please talk. Let me
Don't do that. You're going to catch another charge.
Can you
Don't
please
do
just
that.
let me talk to him?
Don't push on the door.
Guys, please. Do you have any humanity, please?
She's been in trouble before and she's frightened that this will escalate into larger fines and bigger penalties.
Please.
No,
Please.
absolutely not. You're not going to be able to do that right now.
Are you kidding me?
No, the way you're using it, Uncle, I'm absolutely not going to bring somebody else over here.
I just want to talk to
Are you
him.
trying to get out of the handcuffs?
No, I've been to jail. I don't need to go back. Please.
So she's been in trouble before and learnt nothing basically. Obviously she's just a repeat offender. And this is what happens to these people that don't take accountability and responsibility for their actions.
Are you kidding me?
This is the world of lost AWOL women.
Step out of the car. Just step out.
And it's bad, really
Why
bad.
would I joke
Guys,
around?
there's something racist about to be touching right now.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Do you want to catch a charge for resisting?
Stop that.
Because
Don't do that.
that's where you're at.
I just want to talk to him.
Hot on two. We'll take one more.
Viewers, by the end, the original collision's almost overshadowed by everything that happened afterward. As you can see, according to the source, she was charged with driving under the influence, refusing a breath test, battery on an officer, and multiple counts of resisting arrest. She spent 3 days in jail. Viewers, one bad decision brought police to the driveway. And what happened after the handcuffs came out turned into something much more revealing about this person.
You got greedy, mother.
And she just said she doesn't have the money for this. Well, she should have thought about that.
We're not going to be successful here. So, hey, look at me. This is your one and only warning. You're about to be hobbled, which means that your legs get tied to your handcuffs. Do you want that? Answer the question, yes or no. Do you want that?
I just
Then
want
get
to
in the
talk
car
to
and sit
him.
like an adult. Put your foot in.
This is a waste of your f***ing time. He's just gonna bail me right out.
And that's how the system
Okay,
works.
let's get this, move on.
Okay,
Are
sit
you?
back.
Let go. This is bullshit. Oh my god. I don't need a seatbelt.
Well, you do. Right.
No, I don't. I'm in a fucking cage. I don't need a seatbelt.
That's your choice. She's gonna end up hobbled. Yeah, 592 to S2. Can you do 51?
And this is what happens when these slosh stable women don't get their way. And believe you me, they're right throughout our societies.
Let's put this over here. Let's go down
Guys, I'm getting trapped. This is
You're gonna go down your
inhumane
knees,
as...
Go.
You want me down on my knees?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
What a surprise. You fucking men want me down on my knees. Oh my god. Get out! Off me, you pervert. Oh my god. I can't even get free. America. You guys are Donald Trump, bitch. Y'all work for that Jew lapdog motherfucker.
Alright, we're gonna hold here.
Oh my god. You voted for him, didn't you?
Viewers, if you're in a relationship with this woman and there needed to be some resolve, that would be very difficult to accomplish, as you can see. There's no reason why she can't breathe except herself.
Don't grab me. Do not grab me.
You're
Keep an eye on this guy.
Your wife doesn't
I just want him walking up on
Your
us.
wife doesn't
He hasn't, but
Oh my god. Holy That's why you're putting pressure harder on your wife doesn't you. Yeah, I can feel that.
This is the world of lost stable women, viewers.
Yes, that's where we're going! Get off me!
One bad decision brought the police to the driveway. That bad decision was driving under the influence, which caused her to have an accident.
yeah, I got it. Got it? Yep.
Get off!
Yeah. This 12 inches good?
Yeah.
Holy shit, you fat.
I'm right here, so
Give a.
I'm not talking about you! Fuck, you want me to talk about you? I will.
go for it.
Shut up, I'm talking about you.
Okay. Yes. Okay. She's got full.
Let's roll her. Recovery position, please.
Okay.
Oh my god. You guys
Can.
work for Donald Trump, you pussy ass bitches.
No, I think City's next park, but.
Yeah,
Just
play
hang
harder.
it. Can.
You know it's f***ing true.
I'm in the Tahoe back there.
Bro, get the f*** off me! You're hurting me! God damn! You don't give a
Can you grab your and just back it up?
Viewers, this is the world of lost stable women, and it's bad,
Pulling me harder.
really bad.
Stop kicking me.
We're good.
Get the f*** off me! You guys suck. You all have small dicks. Yeah, put me in here. Harder! Fucking harder!
Okay, so I'm gonna go around. Let go. Let go. Let go.
You pussy!
Alright. I'm gonna go around to the other side.
Get me out! Ow! Ow! Are you f***ing kidding me? Are you f***ing kidding me? You call yourself a cop? Give me the... Let me the go, bitch.
Okay. No. To the jail.
Okay. To the jail.
Stop. Let me stop.
She later spent 3 days in jail. This is the drive to the jail. It's bad, really bad. Lost stable women.
She slipped the hobble.